Okay, problem of this Epson L120 or L121 Eco Tank is long beeping sound. So ang problem nito pag ganun is it's either the sensor, the shaft gear, or the paper feed spring might be putol. And check mo nyo na rin ang sensor disc at yung mga motor niya. So, yun lang talaga ang inyong ititignan. Usually, ang mga paper feeder lang man ito ginaano niya. And then, kung hindi paper feed, is yung sensor, yung paper latch, kung baga, doon nyo kukunin or titignan. Yung latch ito yung guide sa papel once na kinuha na ng paper feeder. So, yun lang. So, I hope this video will help you. Goodbye.